Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Step Across Walkaround Wrapper. Now I would heartily recommend that before you try this you learn a Step Across Walkaround, to which there will be a link in the description below. So assuming you have that under your belt, then you're going to be ready for this variation. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. Starts exactly the same as a step across walkaround. So we go back, we lift the hand, we're setting the arch up, we're picking up the hip, we get the walkaround going. But what we're going to do now at some point is we're going to push with the left hand to give the lady a twist to her right as we're coming around. We use both hands then to lead a return, and as the lady's doing the return, and while that twist is going on too, the guy is still walking forward, so it keeps the walk around going. We get the lady to do the return, re-pick up the hip, keep the walk moving. So you get the twist out, the return, and the re-pick up without the guy stopping. And we're going to do a couple before we send the lady past. Guys go through the arch, pull down and face, return and back. Obviously with a walk around like this you could do lots and lots of different timings. We're going to recommend this one today, but obviously you would want to change these things according to what's going on in the music. So we're going to go back 1, into the position 2, walking 3 and 4 to get going, twist 5, return 6, walking 7 and 8, twist out 1, return 2, walking 3 and 4, through the arch 5, pull down 6, return 7 and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, step across, walk around wrapper. We go a back, in position, walk, walk, twist, return and a walk, walk, twist, return and a walk, walk through the arch, down and face, return and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoy it. Do like the video if you're finding these things useful. Subscribe to the channel, it helps promote the channel, so thank you to everybody who does that. Really appreciate it. And if you hit the notification bell, you will also find out every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end comes up as one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.